Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making your account eligible. Confirm your account age and DOB meet Roblox requirements, then verify your email and link a working phone number. Once done, enable two-factor authentication if offered. This reduces friction. Update the Roblox app to the latest build on your device so beta options appear. After updating, open Settings and locate Privacy and Beta features. This gets you to the menu where the actual opt-in lives, so move there now. You now opt into the voice chat beta from Settings. Go to Privacy, then Voice Chat or Beta features, and select Join or Enable. Follow the prompts. Agree to community rules and any safety notices, then complete identity verification if required by Roblox. This may request a short selfie or ID check. After verification, run the microphone test and grant microphone permissions to the app. Make sure to save these changes and restart the app so the feature initializes properly. Finish by joining a supported Roblox experience and testing voice with a friend or public room. Speak to confirm audio and mute controls work. If things fail, check microphone permissions, restart the device, confirm the app is up to date, and inspect your network. Strict NAT or firewall settings often block voice. If verification stalls or the beta option still isn't visible, gather screenshots of your settings and verification steps. Then contact Roblox support for accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.